Hello guys, welcome to Motor Rides. Mike over here. Now today we are at Charlie's 4x4 car yard in Lavington, James Kishu Road. This is one of the biggest car yards in Nairobi. Now today we're looking at the Mercedes GLE 350d. This is the diesel version, 2016 model. This thing is a beast when it comes to power and torque. It's cute. It's, oh my god man, this thing is amazing. In a black in color, there's nothing more I can ask for. This is my favorite color. So we look at the specs, we look at the interior, exterior, and what has changed from the 2015 to the 2016 model, and so much more, man. So stick until the end of the video to enjoy what Motor Rides has you covered, man. Cheers, Motor Rides. The 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350d. This is the deal, guys. Now just run you guys through the specs. Now this car comes with a 3000cc diesel engine, turbocharged, 9-speed automatic transmission, 5-seater leather seats, electric seats with memory, front heated seat, multifunctional steering wheel control, infotainment screen display, Harman Kardon surround sound, and of course the aux and USB players, front collision sensors, rear collision and parking sensors, auto stop, side step, idle rim, and so much more, man. So in this video we're going to go through the review, basically just to tell you guys more about what this car has to offer. So let's get to it. Now the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class joins Mercedes lineup as the newly named updated version of the 2015's M-Class SUV. Now, notable changes include revised styling, additional standard equipment, and the latest command interface. A new plug-in hybrid GLE 550e model is also new and offers up to 18 miles of electric-only range. That is in 2016. When you say new, I'm talking about 2016. Now, just to give you an overview of the car. Now, when it comes to this model, the replacement of the previous M-Class midsize SUV gets much more than a simple name change, because this is the replacement of the previous M-Class. Okay, well, much is related and indeed identical to the M-Class. The GLE gets a wealth of changes inside and out, including new front and rear fascias and freshened interior styling and color combination. Also new in the GLE-Class Coupe model, which features a sportier stance and a more sloping fastback rear roof line similar to the BMW X6. As with any refresh, the styling has had some cosmetic surgery, if you may call that. At the front, there is a more curvaceous look with swept back headlights, a larger and more imposing grille, new bumpers with large vents, and a more rounded bonnet. Along the sides is business as usual, while the back has more modern looking lights and a new bumper. This is compared to the 2015 M-Class. The distinctive C-pillar with the windows that wrap around the rear end is left over the old M-Class. So clearly Mercedes deemed it was a classy design feature that had to stay despite the car's new name. On the inside, there are even fewer differences. A highlight is the addition of Mercedes tablet infotainment screen nestled between the air vents. It's linked to a rotary controller and a smartphone-like touchpad on the center console, bringing the GLE in line with the rest of the range. It controls Mercedes' command system, but it isn't quite as easy and intuitive to use as BMW's brilliant iDrive system, if we may say and be honest. Now the engine range has been tweaked too, and there's a choice of petrols and diesel plus a plug in the GLE 500e hybrid. But in reality, it's the diesels that will interest most, and the 6-cylinder 3-liter V6 3D is our top pick here at Motor Rides. With the 258 basic horsepower and 620 nanometers of torque, it's punchy, smooth, and a good deal more appealing to drive than the 4-cylinder diesel in the entry level. Now, whichever diesel you go for, basically, you will get a new 9-speed automatic gearbox, meaning changes are fast and sleek. Mercedes claims that an average of 42.8 miles per gallon. Where the GLE is really starting to feel its age though, is in its way it drives. The GLE's closest rival, the X5, manages to combine fun involving handling while also coping with some light off terrain. The GLE has an impressive range of off-road models and seems tough when tackling mud and rocks. But back on the tarmac, it feels a little bit old. The steering is numb and the body sways around on county roads. And while our AMG line has a standard fit air suspension, the GLE still fidgets around the crashes into large potholes and speed bump. Remember, we don't mean that this car is trash. The car is very good. We're just being more detailed in terms of the review. For some, the fact that the GLE feels a little old won't matter. While the dashboard design is a bit conservative compared to the Mercedes newer cars, it's well made and all models have a strong kit list. Entry-level sport variants, for instance, they get the LED headlights, parking camera and the sat-nav, while more desirable AMG line cars add 20-inch wheels, a more aggressive body kit and heated sports seats. It's roomy up front, and in the back there is space for 3 adults, easy. I'm 6 foot tall and I fitted very comfortably at the back. And the boot is usefully large. It's noticeably more spacious than the BMW X6, but there is no 7-seat option. That's the only thing we may say from when it comes to these. Now, the price of the car. This car goes for around 9 million Kenya shillings. Okay, translate that to your currency in whichever part of the world you're coming from, and get to see what's up. So basically that's it. This video is shot at Charlie's 4x4 car yard in Lavington, Nairobi. So if you're in need of such cars, heavy duty cars, we're talking about even the light cars, just pop up and you'll not be disappointed, man. This is some real stuff. So just to run back through the basics, I mean the specifications. 3000cc diesel engine, turbocharged, 9-speed automatic transmission, 5-seater leather seats, electric seats with memory, front heated seats, multifunctional steering wheel control, infotainment screen display, Harman Kardon surround system, and front collision sensors as well as the rear collision sensors, among others. Now, as an individual interior, of course, we're talking about the 2016 model. The interior looks quite classy, but now if you want to compare it with the BMW X6, X5 2016, then that's when you see the competition. But sitting in this car, heated seats and all that, very comfy. Look at the gearbox, very comfy. You have enough space to put your extras, and legroom is perfect. I mean, what more could you ask for, man? What more could you ask for? So pull up, Charlie's 4x4 car. Don't forget to tell them who sent you. Yeah, it's Motor Rides over here. Do subscribe, the like button, share thoughts in the comment section below. Next review coming up, man. Next review coming up. Cheers, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video.